And viewers, as promised, this is the document and the details I will share you in 1 minute. Let's go into it. The channel that broke the truth about Arvind Kejriwal's opulent Sheesh Mahal in April 2023 is back with the biggest and most explosive news break of this election season. This is Operation Black Dollar, a story that rattled Aam Aadmi Party so much that it has resorted to violent physical attacks on our crew, and the visuals are on your screens, viewers. Believe it or not, our crew was heckled, assaulted by Aam Aadmi Party workers. Now, Times Now has taken the legal recourse and we will fight till the very end. Our questions won't stop. Our pursuit for the truth won't stop. Now, let's tell you about the Operation Black Dollar in detail. Times Now has accessed a super-loaded ED dossier that reveals how the Enforcement Directorate told Ministry of Home Affairs in clear words that the Aam Aadmi Party violated Indian laws and FCRA norms to get foreign funding. Let's break it down bit by bit and easy for you to understand what we want to tell you. ED has told MHA that Aam Aadmi Party got foreign funds worth rupees 7.8 crore between 2014 and 2022. The party violated FCRA norms to get these foreign funds. These foreign funds came in from donors in Canada, USA, Australia, New Zealand, Saudi, Kuwait, Oman. ED has also conveyed to the MHA that Aam Aadmi Party concealed the identity of foreign donors to escape scrutiny by Indian investigators. Foreign donors directly deposited money in the Aam Aadmi Party's bank accounts. What's even more shocking is that ED has found mail trail that reveals how Aam Aadmi Party's Durgesh Pathak reportedly tried to siphon off foreign funds for his personal benefits. If this is not shocking for you viewers, then we have more. Now sample this. ED has given details of addresses, email IDs and numbers of the foreign donors. It has highlighted how same passport, same credit card, same number was used by many people to make donations to the Aam Aadmi Party. Now, as per the ED, 155 donors used 55 passports to make 404 transactions worth rupees 1.02 crore. ED has also highlighted how 71 donors in foreign soil used 21 mobile numbers to make 256 transactions. ED also highlighted that 75 donors from foreign countries used 15 credit cards to make 148 transactions into the bank accounts of Aam Aadmi Party. Now, let's tell you in a simple way, in using the graphics, we'll tell you. Now, look at these passport numbers, viewers, highlighted on your screens. Different donors used one passport to send money to Aam Aadmi Party. The passport number, which ends with 24, there are 13 different people using the same passport to send funds to AAP. How is it possible? Well, this is what we were asking from the Aam Aadmi Party when our crew got assaulted. Now, the Gmail ID starting with the alphabets EM was used by 14 people to make at least 40 transactions worth rupees 17,48,535 rupees. The Gmail ID starting with NZ was used by 35 people to make 40 transactions worth rupees 8,98,901 rupees. And the Gmail ID starting with the SH was used by 13 people to make 28 transactions worth rupees 5,32,253 rupees. As the details rattled Aam Aadmi Party, they resorted to politics of blame game. As per the Aam Aadmi Party, the foreign funding revelation by ED is a conspiracy by BJP. Listen in.
ये जो मामला है ये बहुत पुराना मामला है. इस मामले में पहले ईडी को, सीबीआई को, एमएचए को पार्टी ने एक रुपया का डिटेल पहले ही सौंप दिया था. 2015 में इवन हाई कोर्ट में एमएचए ने एफिडेविट में सबमिट किया था और कहा था कि कोई गलत नहीं हुआ है. ये बात बहुत पुरानी है, ये बात खत्म हो चुकी है. प्रश्न ये उठता है कि आज ये फिर से क्यों उठा रहे हैं. आप अगर देखेंगे भारतीय जनता पार्टी की पूरी कारगुजारी, तो जब भी ये चुनाव हारने की स्थिति में आते हैं, ये इस तरीके के कारगुजारी, इस तरीके के कारनामे, षड्यंत्र, गंदी राजनीति करते हैं.
आम आदमी पार्टी ने जब से ये पार्टी बनी है पूरी ट्रांसपेरेंसी से एक रुपए का चंदा लिया है और पूरे ट्रांसपेरेंसी से एक एक रुपए के चंदे का हिसाब किताब इलेक्शन कमीशन को भी दिया है, इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट को भी दिया है। ये पता नहीं कहां से भूले बिसरे आरोप लेके आए हैं। ये कई साल पुराना मैटर है जिसमें आम आदमी पार्टी ईडी को, सीबीआई को, एमएचए को, इलेक्शन कमीशन को पहले ही जवाब दे चुकी है।
आतिशी से इस भूले बिसरे सवाल, भूले बिसरे आरोप पर फिर क्यों गुस्सा आया आम आदमी पार्टी को जब टाइम्स ना उन्हें जाके उनसे सीधा दोबारा पूछने की कोशिश की? Can't they clarify again? Well, sample this, viewers. We have more. From concealing to misdeclaring to manipulation and identities and nationalities of foreign donors, as well as several other facts relating to foreign donations, ED has accused Aam Aadmi Party of blatant violation of FCRA laws. In its investigation, ED also found several instances of irregularities in collecting foreign funds by Aam Aadmi Party and its leaders. ED has also mentioned that AAP MLA Durgesh Pathak siphoned off funds collected during a fundraising event in Canada in 2016 for his personal benefits. Now, not only they're looting, but also using the same money for their own personal benefits. And Durgesh Pathak is the person in question. ED substantiated these allegations by attaching the contents of emails exchanged between AAP volunteers and functionaries. The email added by ED in its dossier reveals that Durgesh Pathak reportedly asked one Aniket Saxena, coordinator of AAP's overseas wing, to transfer $29,000 directly to him and Kapil Bhardwaj through one of Bhagwant Toor's account. Now, Durgesh Pathak reportedly also said कि चिंता मत करो, हम जेल नहीं जाएंगे, जाना होगा तो पंकज गुप्ता जाएगा. Watch how BJP is attacking Aam Aadmi Party and raising questions over who gave AAP funds, but AAP is deflecting.
देखिए, सबसे पहली बात यह है कि आम आदमी पार्टी झूठ के बुनियाद पर खड़ी है और इनको वोट के खातिर देश से भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज करने में देर नहीं लगती है। ये पहला आरोप नहीं है, इसके पहले भी टेररिस्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस का सपोर्ट इनको मिला, टेररिस्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट मिला। ये आपने देखा पंजाब के चुनाव में भी आरोप लगे। ये आरोप का जवाब नहीं देते हैं, ये उसको डाइवर्ट करने की कोशिश करते हैं, ये इश्यूज को डिफ्लेक्ट करने की कोशिश करते हैं। सच्चाई ये है कि झूठ के बुनियाद पर बनी हुई पार्टी है और ये बेनकाब हो चुकी है। ये इनका दोहरा चरित्र, इनका दोगला चरित्र बेनकाब हो चुका है।
विदेश में बैठे लोग, कौन वो लोग थे जो आम आदमी पार्टी को पैसा दे रहे थे? विदेश में बैठे लोग क्यों दे रहे थे आम आदमी पार्टी को पैसा? दुबई में कोई बैठा इंसान आम आदमी पार्टी को क्यों पैसा देगा? कनाडा, अमेरिका से बैठे जो लोग पैसे दे रहे थे, उनकी क्या मंशा थी, क्या भावना थी? आम आदमी पार्टी ने कभी देश को नहीं बताया उनके पास कितने करोड़ रुपए आए हैं। आम आदमी पार्टी देश विरोधी पार्टी है। जैसे कांग्रेस ने चीन से पैसे लिए थे, इसी तरह आम आदमी पार्टी की क्या मंशा थी, भारत को क्या नुकसान पहुंचाना चाहते थे, और जिन लोगों ने पैसा भेजा उनकी पृष्ठभूमि क्या थी, उन्होंने क्यों ये पैसा भेजा और उनके पीछे ये पैसा कहां से आया था, ये सवालों के अब आम आदमी पार्टी को जवाब देने चाहिए।
Well, it's not only been in violation of FCRA Act, it is in violation of the RP Act, Representative People's Act also, because you can't receive foreign funding without the knowledge of the Government of India. There were always a doubt on the subject, and there are a lot of questions being raised since the Khalistani head of the Khalistani forces has said they have funded the Aam Aadmi Party. Now it's becoming clear. They have rerouted the money of the Khalistani funds which were given to them by the people who were supporters of Khalistan. Question is of the national security. Raghav Chadha was in UK. He met Preet Kaur Gill, the known Khalistani supporter, the lady who supports, she's a member of parliament, but she supports the Khalistan cause from UK.
Now, as per the Enforcement Directorate, these details came to the fore during the probe into an alternative drug racket, also an international drug racket case, which involved former AAP and current Congress leader Sukhpal Khera. As per the ED, when searches were conducted at premises of Khera's house and his aide's residence, incriminating documents were recovered. These documents contained details of foreign donations to AAP. These documents included 4 typewritten pages containing the list of foreign donors. In these documents, agencies found receipt of foreign donations worth 1,90,000 $20,000. Khera gave a statement revealing that these funds were raised during AAP's fundraising event in the United States. Now, Aam Aadmi Party's 2016 Toronto fundraiser is under ED scanner, as per the ED. In this fundraiser, which was held on November 22, 2015, was attended by Durgesh Pathak. In this fundraiser, AAP raised 15,000 Canadian dollars. As per the ED, the names of actual donors were hidden by AAP. It concealed the identity of foreign donors and thus manipulated records of foreign funding. Now, rattled by Times Now's mega expose, AAP resorts to brute. AAP's chief media coordinator, Vikas Kumar Yogi, assaulted and abused Times Now crew when we questioned them. The men from Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's party pushed, slapped and abused Times Now's reporter and the camera person. Not just this, they also broke the screen of the camera and the wire. Take a look at this event.
Operation Times Now reports assault to the police.
हेलो, मैं आकांक्षा बोल रही हूँ। मैं आम आदमी पार्टी हेडक्वार्टर के सामने से बोल रही हूँ। यहाँ पे मेरे साथ बदतमीजी की गई है और मेरे कैमरा पर्सन के साथ भी बदतमीजी की गई है आम आदमी पार्टी वर्कर्स के द्वारा।
Delhi police visits AAP office. Arrest assaulter Vikas Yogi. Times Now, your voice that can't be suppressed.
And viewers,